Alright everyone, so quick how-to on how to get this piece off and basically dash removal. So let's get right to it. This is 2020 Corolla. It's pretty simple. Put your fingers behind this piece and just press. Comes right off. It's harder, easier to do with two hands, but 4 clips there, comes right off. Just four red clips. And then this whole piece comes off in one. You just grab it by the middle here. Hold on a second. Easier said than done. All right. This comes right out. There are 2 plugs in the back. One there, and one on the back side right there. Not sure if you can see that. Unplug those. There's that one. There's that one. Put this over to the side here. Okay. Now, there are 4 bolts that hold in the screen. There's one there, right there, and there's one right up there. You can kind of see it. And that's on both sides. That one fell in the into the abyss. So yeah. But there's that one. And there's one just over yonder. So let me go ahead. Go ahead and take care of those real quick. Alright, so I've got the well, should be 4 screws, but like I said, I lost one to the abyss. They are 10 millimeter, so 10. I haven't lost mine, fortunately, but who's to say that won't happen in the future. Alright, I'll just pull this straight out. There's a little, it just slides into those slots there on both sides. So just kind of ease it out. All right. And then you have all of this in the back here. So let me go ahead and try to get this a little clearer here. Yeah, doesn't want to do that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this again and unplug these. Okay, so I've got that all undone there. Go ahead and put this in the back. Like so. Okay. So, got that little mess there. There's one little screw here that we have to deal with. So, give me one moment. Alright, let's go ahead and do not. Yeah. I'm just gonna put this down here before I lose this. Definitely don't want to be losing any more hardware than I already did. So all this whole panel here, starting from up here all the way over, is just held in by clips. So just pull out. Start hearing them pop. There we go. Okay. Just give it a little pull here. There we go. Whole thing comes right off. Now, doing a little secret thing here. It looks a little rough now, but we'll clean that up. But that's the LC7i we've got there going. Audio control. And now I have to fish those wires up through here, over to here, and that'll be that. But that was the removal of the dash, basically. So there's that. Easy. Just the four screws, or 4 bolts rather, and the 1 screw. So have a good one.